Number 1. Base plate. In general, the base plate used to hold up building scaffolding to lateral load also serves as a leg support scaffolding so it doesn't sink into the ground. There are two common types of base plate used, namely fixed base plate and adjustable base plate, or known as jack base, is a base plate which high adjustable. Number 2. Mainframe. The mainframe is a scaffolding framework that functions as the main pillar of the scaffolding building made of cylindrical pipes with 1.4-inch diameter with thickness 2.8 mm and 3.2 mm. On both sides there is a frame which serves as a ladder as well as for pin useful for hooking up a cross brace so scaffolding it stands standard. Number 3. Cross brace. Cross brace is a component of scaffolding made of cylindrical pipe cross-shape, whereon each end has a hole which functions as a hook to the main frame pins. The cross brace has a function as reinforcement and connector to main frame so scaffolding building more easy to tilt. Number 4. Platform. Platform on scaffolding type this frame is a board made of steel plates as well reinforced with cylindrical pipe. On our forward side, all to the fore end are the same, which function as a hook to the mainframe pipe. This platform has two functions, namely as a work area and access road as well building reinforcement on scaffolding. There are same name or other term platform components such as main asiba, catwalk or baseboard. Number 5. Ladder. Ladder is a part scaffolding that functions as construction worker access to getting up and down to the work area. Different from the ladder scaffolding tubular type, ladder on scaffolding frame type that is in the form of cylindrical pipe joined with flat step made of checker mild steel. At the end of the ladder pipe, there is a hook to attach it to mainframe pipe scaffolding. Number 6. Pin connector. Pin connector is a scaffolding component served as a connector between two mainframe will be installed on top. The pin connector is made of pipe cylindrical and there is a stopper on the middle as a bearing between the top mainframe and the bottom mainframe. In one such scaffolding requires 4 pin connector. Number 7. Guard frame. Guard frame is a scaffolding component made of a stainless cylindrical pipe and installed at the top of scaffolding. The size of this guard frame is shorter from mainframe scaffolding. Guard frame functions as protect and prevent water from falling, also as a place to attach personal protective equipment or full body harness.